In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendars in real time with ease in our 2024 guide. Whether you're juggling multiple schedules or simply looking to organize your personal and professional life better, synchronizing your calendars can make a world of difference. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to app.onecal.io. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account. This secure website is designed to seamlessly integrate with your Google Calendar, ensuring a smooth and efficient synchronization process. If you're not already signed in, just follow the prompts to log in with your Google credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll see an option to start new sync. Go ahead and click on that. This is where your journey to managing your calendars effectively begins. You'll need to provide a name for your synchronization. While it might seem trivial, naming your sync can be quite helpful, especially if you'll be setting up multiple synchronizations in the future. Choose something descriptive that you'll easily recognize later. Now, you're ready to select how you'd like your calendars to sync. When prompted, choose the multi-way synchronization option. This means that any update you make on one calendar will automatically reflect on all selected ones. Once you've made that selection, click Next to proceed. In the next step, you'll be asked to select the specific calendars you wish to sync. Here, you'll see a list of all calendars linked to your Google account. Carefully pick the ones you want to bring together and then click Next. With your calendars selected, it's time to decide what specific details to sync. You'll be able to configure settings like including event descriptions or choosing a primary color for reminders. Tailor these settings according to your preference, then hit the Start Sync button to initiate the process. Now, it's all about a little patience. Simply wait for the synchronization process to complete. Depending on how much data is being synced, this might take a few moments. Once it's finished, you'll receive a notification or see an update on your screen. After everything is synced up, you'll have the option to go to calendar view. Clicking this will show you your freshly merged calendar, complete with all events and details from the selected calendars. Take a moment to explore, ensuring everything is as you expect. With that, you now have a streamlined and organized view of your schedules in one convenient place. This process not only saves you time, but also reduces the chances of missing important events or appointments. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.